going on, my lovely squids? Welcome back to another one. We are here at Montgomeryville Cycle Center checking out the 2023 BMW S1000 RR. Special thanks to Bob, the sales manager here, for allowing us to come in and film this beautiful, beautiful bike. This dealership services the greater Delaware Valley with power sports such as motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, side-by-sides, and scooters. Carrying brands like BMW, Ducati, Honda, Kawasaki, Scrambler, Ducati, Suzuki, and Yamaha. Okay guys, let's check this bike out. The RR is now even more focused and even more precisely geared towards pure performance. For those who are increasingly demanding more from themselves, more from each lap, and more from the RR. Simply put, never stop challenging. Leading the way is a matter of millimeters, especially in the circles the RR has always been a part of. This bike is pushing a 999cc water and oil cooled 4-stroke inline-4 engine, 205 horsepower at 13,750 RPMs, reaching 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds. Lord have mercy. And 83 foot-pounds of torque at 11,000 RPMs with a max speed of 188 miles per hour. Let's check out these wheels. Both wheels are aluminum cast with a 17-inch in the front with a 120 by 70 tire, and in the rear a 190 by 55 tire on the same 17-inch wheel. Okay guys, let's move on to these brakes. The front brakes consist of twin 320mm discs with a 4-piston fixed caliper. And in the rear, a single 220mm disc with a 1-piston floating caliper. This bike comes with BMW Motorrad race brake slide assist. Okay guys, let's move on to the suspension. The front forks are inverted telescopic 45mm spring preload with adjustable rebound and compression at 4.7 inches of travel. The rear shock is based on an aluminum swing arm fully floater Pro Central spring strut that is fully adjustable at 4.6 inches of travel. Okay guys, let's move on to the seat height. I am 5'10" with a 32-inch inseam, and you can see how I look standing next to this bike. This bike comes in at 32.4 inches. The transmission of this bike consists of a cloth-shifted 6-speed gearbox with straight-cut gears. Guys, you can see the riding triangle here. I'm bent over, just over the fuel tank. My knees aren't that bent, but my feet are flat on the ground. This bike isn't that heavy. The bike does come in at a curb weight of 426.6 pounds. Plan on racing your boys? Well, also plan on stopping pretty often because this tank is only 4.35 gallons. Okay guys, let's take a quick look at the dash. Guys, there's so much going on in this dash, it's impossible for me to even point out everything. If you thought my Hayabusa video was bad with the dash and all the features that that dash had, well, this dash has more. This bike is crazy. There are so many features in this dash. TFT display. I can't possibly go over everything. There is Bluetooth connectivity for your phone. There is, I believe there is turn-by-turn navigation in this as well. There is media for like music, to connect your phone to play music. there is a check control display, which is number 1. Number 2 is the coolant display. Number 3 is the range of fuel. Number 4 is the odometer. Number 5 is the service light, which would be like the engine check light. Number 6 is the rear tire pressure. Number 7 is the voltage of the vehicle. So if your vehicle starts to lose voltage because of the rectifier or whatever, it'll show you right here. And number 8 is the front tire pressure. And that's only some of the features I'm showing you. This bike has way more features than that. Okay guys, let me rattle off quick some of the features that this bike comes with. This bike comes with the BMW Motorrad ABS, the ABS Pro, the DTC Dynamic Traction Control, HSC Hill Start Control, 4 riding modes like Rain, Road, Dynamic, and Race, Shift Assist Pro, M Chassis Kit, M GPS Lap Trigger, and this bike also comes with heated grips as well. Now optional equipment are Pro Ride modes with 3+ modes, Race Pro, 1, 2, and 3, Pit Lane Limiter, Launch Control, DTS Negative and Positive Shift, Wheelie Control, Slide Control, HSC Pro, DBC Dynamic Brake Control, and Engine Brake. DTC Heated Grips, Cruise Control, Design Option for Wheels, Passenger Packages, M Forged Wheels, M Packages with Motorsport Paint, M Sport Seat, M Carbon Wheels, and M Footrest. Okay guys, we're going to look at the controls on the handlebars, and we're going to start from the right and make our way over to the left. The first button we can see here is the switch for the heated grips. The second one is for the ride modes. And the red one is the engine on and off switch. Okay guys, let's look at the switches on the right handle of the bar. The first switch we can see here is the cruise control, on and off and set. The red one is the hazard lights. The second one is the DTC control, which is dynamic traction control. The second one is the menu button, and to the right of the menu button is the DTC negative and positive controls. Under the negative controls is the indicator. Under the indicator is a horn. And this one right here is a multifunction rocker button. And at the back of all the switches we can see the pass, high beams, and low beams button. Guys, you'll be interested to know that all the lights on this bike are LED. How awesome is that? Okay guys, time to look at the colors of this bike. This bike comes in 3 different flavors. You can get it in black, which is Black Storm Metallic, or you can get it in white. They call it Light White M Motorsport. Or you can get it in red. And the red is called Racing Red. Okay guys, let's take a quick look at the prices of this bike. The base price of this bike is $17,895 with a destination and handling fee of $695, bringing it to $18,590, and that is just for the Black Storm Metallic. Then there is the M package, which comes in at an extra $4,495. Then there is the Red Passion, which comes in at $375. Now the M package, if you're wondering why the M package costs another $4,000, it's because you're getting a choice of carbon wheels or forged wheels, and you're getting a seat and a tail hump. Alright guys, if you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. There are a million things you could be doing right now, but you chose to spend this time with me, and I appreciate that. I'll have more walk around videos coming soon. I'm going to catch up on some other Harleys, some other BMWs, and some other Hondas as soon as those other bikes come out, or as soon as I can get to the dealership. Alright guys, remember to keep your eyes on the swivel, keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.